In this video, I am going to show you how to link your Amazon Prime account to Twitch so that you can subscribe to Vintley TV for free. Up in the menu, then you can select Link to Prime. Here, you will have detailed instructions on how you can link Amazon Prime to Twitch. First, you want to go to Amazon's website, which is twitch.amazon.com/TP. On the left-hand side, if you're logged into Twitch already, then you will want to select the Link Twitch Account button. A pop-up will show up confirming you want to link your accounts. Go ahead and select Link Accounts. Here you will confirm your Twitch account with Amazon. If you aren't already logged in, you'll be asked to log in. If you don't already have an account, you'll be able to sign up to Twitch. And once you do that, go ahead and click Confirm. On the top left of Amazon's website, you'll see that you have successfully linked your account to Amazon Prime.